Welcome back, everyone. So in this video, we're going to see how we can take complex data and filter it for a subset of the data. So very common in websites like Amazon, where you can filter things by price. You only want to show the items, um, you know, less than $50, less than $100, or $200 more dollars, or you want to filter it by specific brands or specific types of products. If you're looking at like men's clothing or men's shirts or men's shirts that are collared, etc., etc., you get a more filtered subset of the data, which provides a lot of functionality. So we're going to just do one example of that with price. And so we have a button that we want to grab off the DOM here. It has an ID of cheaper button. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. There we go. And now we're going to do a review of event listeners. So we want to show a subset of that data when we click that button. So we're going to go ahead and grab that button and add an event listener. We're going to make it a click, and this event listener is going to take a callback as its second argument. And this time I'll use a normal function. You don't get as much benefit with an arrow function. No, what am I saying? We'll go ahead and use an arrow function. So we'll do parentheses, arrow function, something. And so the question is, what do we want to happen when this cheaper button is clicked? Well, we want to filter the products and only get back the products that are cheaper than 50. So we wouldn't want to see these TV LED black backlights, and we wouldn't want to see this air purifier or this Cool Life luggage set. We'd only want to see this security camera and this smart scale. So using a filter on this data is just as it's just the same as you saw on simple numbers. You just have to access kind of what you want from that filter. So let's see it. We're going to say cheaper products equals products.filter. And for each product, we want to look for the product whose price is cheaper than 50. And so cheaper products, we will be filtered of the product.price of this luggage set because we're accessing it just through the object interface. So we're mapping through and just picking that. And now we want this same thing in render products to happen, but I don't want to copy and paste that code. So what we're going to do is we're going to transform this pretty easily. We'll add a products parameter to render products and pass this array explicitly. And now in this event listener, I can just add render products and pass this new value, which will wipe out the old value. So we save this. We see all of our products render initially. And then when we click this button, only 2 of them show up. And that's exactly what we wanted to see. We filtered out all the items that were too expensive for our filter. All right, that's what I got. So one more video on using the map method to do something interesting with the data.